Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove your Google or Gmail account from Asus ROG Phone 6. So as you can see right here, I have two accounts on this device, on Google, and the same as with a Gmail. So if you want to remove one of them, let's open up our settings. Here we want to find passwords and accounts. We'll be able to see both of these accounts right here. Now let's click on the one that we want to remove and then remove account. This won't delete your Gmail or Google account permanently, it will just log it out from this specific device. So let's remove it. Now if we check out our Google, there will be only one account. And now let's check out Gmail. There's only one account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.